Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start in Outlook desktop, open File, choose Options, then Mail to reach composition settings. Once there, click Stationery and Fonts to reveal the font controls for 3 contexts: new messages, replies, and forwards in plain text. You choose a font family, size, style, and color for each context so your email looks consistent. Make sure to select appropriate sizes for readability. For example, 1112 PT for body text. This is the first actionable step to set defaults that stick. Now you configure each context. Click the Font button for new mail, pick the font family, style, size, and color, then preview it. Once done, repeat the same exact process for reply and forward messages so replies match your identity. For plain text, choose a monospaced or clear font if needed. If you use stationery or a theme, make sure theme fonts are consistent. Otherwise, the theme can override choices. Apply changes by pressing OK to return to Options. Finish by clicking OK until all dialogues close so Outlook saves your defaults. Then create a new test message, reply to one, and open a plain text composed to confirm each default applied correctly. If you see different fonts, make sure your signature formatting isn't overriding settings, and disable any add-ins that alter compose behavior. If problems persist, clear Outlook cache or restart the app. Sometimes a restart is required for theme or registry changes to take effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.